When I first started the company, it was just myself and a few other people. We actually plastered on the wall a statement that said, "We're building this car because it does not exist." The challenge and the beauty of a clean sheet is you can do things the right way without worrying about the legacy of the past, but still leverage and learn from what's been done before. We've intentionally made sure that we're doing things that people don't believe to be possible. All right, guys, got a full house. So I wanted to start with a discussion around why we're here. Why does Rivian exist? Why are all you sitting here today, and why are all of you sitting on the screens in Irvine, at the plant, in the UK, in San Jose? The reason these vehicles are coming together is because of all the hard work of everybody here. You know, we've all made big sacrifices to be here. We've left other jobs, we're working long hours, we're working weekends, but really the core is why are we here? And the reason we're here is we want to build something better. We want to make the world a better place.
What I'm responsible for are the battery algorithms and the battery management system. We call it the BMS. Each module within the pack contains one of these circuit boards. This is a picture of Arches National Park. It's my favorite place. Definitely looking forward to taking a Rivian vehicle out there at some point soon. I was running in the San Gabriel Mountains above Pasadena, and it was a beautiful night, and I looked over LA and saw smog. And at that moment, it clicked that I needed to help do something about the problem.
After a while, I realized that I wasn't doing what I wanted to do to deliver something back to the world and make it a better place. That's what we're doing here. When I look at what car I wanted to buy, I can never find exactly what it is I want. Actually, the car I want is the one that we're building.
What really motivates the company, what's really the heartbeat of the company, is the passion to create something that's not in the world today.
I'm designing a product that I want one day to drive around and take me to those adventures. It's pretty cool. You have this A-line that carries through and it falls into the headlamp and picks back up in the fascia.
It's a pickup truck that performs like a sports car, does well off-road, and has a range of a gas vehicle. How cool is that, right?
So basically, this is where all the autonomous driving is going to happen, integrating many different types of sensors between ultrasonic and radar and LiDAR and camera.
It's going to transform mobility in many ways, and that's part of the bigger picture of Rivian.
There's a big paradigm that's shifted that electric cars are not fun, that electric cars are not capable.
We think that's completely false. But another thing that we learned along the way that was really important was that this gear up process where you put your boots on and you get ready to go was so critical to everything you do. So we designed this at its seated height specifically for that reason.
I think it's breaking people's expectations of what an electric vehicle can do. They can be rugged, they can go off-road.
One there and one there. It's 4. One motor per wheel.
On top of it, we also have 400 miles plus range. This is mind-blowing range.
Yeah, it's badass.
The sensory experience triggers some emotion, so the tactility of the material is very important. And you can experience through seeing it and then touching it and feeling it. You can see with some laser etching effect here. I feel like I am in the forest.
The entire interface is one infinite plane to the left or right with one visible space in the middle. The applications are here. We can scroll through them. You can expand each application to full screen or down to its native state. The off-road maps that we will deliver will be contour-based maps as well as satellite imagery, etc. So you have a very good idea spatially where you are.
It's a really proud moment. It's cool for me to be able to see this come together.
We're receiving the first incarnation of the vehicle body made into a skateboard of ours.
It's like seeing your baby for the first time. We have been working on this baby for like a long time.
It's really good. This is our one chance to come out. First impressions matter. It's gonna be covered in mud. I mean, that's the goal here, is to get this thing dirty.
I guess the world's gonna know, for real. It wasn't just all talk. Monumental, I think, is the word that comes to mind. To finally be able to show everyone what we've been working on. They look really cool.
To me, we're halfway up the mountain right now. We're not at the top. We don't have time right now to really rejoice over how much progress we've made, because if we lose our attention for a second, we can still fall off the side. We still have half a climb left.